Hello everyone, hope you are all safe in your own home. Due to the effect of COVID-19, the world execution has been halted. We Indians also been suffering the effect of the coronavirus. Across the India, all executions has been stopped for a moment while, but we Indians have to try our own way to struggle and to stay safe. We the people have conducted our daily executions in our own way. The teaching learning process has been conducted in the digital platform.
In 20th century, the greatest threat for human civilization is COVID-19. A virus 10,000th of millimeter in diameter spreading like a fire all over the world. Most of the country are suffering from this. Who has declared it's an epidemic? They have given a clear guideline how to fight against this COVID-19. Yet there is no vaccine. India-like country are also in the great threat due to its large populations. Government has declared lockdown in each and every sector, from industry to education. We, the teacher and the students, are locked inside our room. But life can be paused. Education cannot be. So we, the JS College of Engineering, has converted our study room into a classroom.
What others thinks tomorrow, JS College of Engineering thinks today. Yes, JS College of Engineering has made history by introducing flipped learning since 2017. The transition from traditional learning to flipped learning, it was a challenge for both teacher and students. The teacher and students successfully adopting this environment, which gives the double benefit in terms of teaching learning. That is why JS College of Engineering has got the recognition as a pioneer of flipped learning amongst the Asian country. Now in this pandemic situation, we are teaching our students very flexibly through virtual class, which is the outcome of our extended practice of this flipped learning.
COVID-19, the most relevant word in recent days. The total world have been locked down at their own home. Every regular activities have been halted. But what about education? What about regular teaching learning practices? Digital learning is the only possible solution. Digital learning is not a new word for JS College of Engineering. From 2016 onwards, we have started to distribute our classes into pre-class, in-class and post-class activities, where pre-class and post-class activities are done in online mode. Now, in recent pandemic situation, we, the faculties of JS College of Engineering, have started to convert our in-class activities are also in digital mode using Canvas and many other applications available in the markets. The students and the faculties of JS College of Engineering have successfully converted their home into their classroom.
Hi. Assessment is one of the most important part of teaching learning. So during conduction of our regular classes, we are giving students some questions on the discussed topic as assignment. Students are trying to solve it out. During their solution process, if they feel any problem or if they have any query, they are asking those questions in the doubt clearing session as well. Simultaneously, we are taking the online assessment for them also. We are putting the questions on creation some Google form. We are sending that Google form to the students. Students are solving those questions and they are submitting the responses. Upon evaluation of their responses, score sheet is being generated and depending on the scores, we are trying to figure out some weaker set of students, and for that weaker set of students, we are conducting the remedial classes as well.
We are locked down, but not down in sharing knowledge. Yes, we are at home, but connected from Cincinnati to Canada, from Kolkata to Cyprus. During this lockdown period, Department of Information Technology is organizing different webinars by industry person, and which is very relevant to bridge the gap between industry and academia. Named a few of them: Cloud Microsystem Architecture, Closer, Industry Automation, Azure Cloud, MS SharePoint, Docker, Container Database, Oracle Autonomous Database, and lots of more. By the industry person from TCS, CTS, Wipro, IBM, Oracle, VMware, in and outside the country. Our students are continuously attending these webinars and enriching themselves.
Lockdown. Being a teacher, it's a very difficult time to make our students busy. We can't let them flow with negativity, but we need to encourage them in every possible way. On behalf of IT Department, JS College of Engineering, we prepared the roadmap to create positive vibes and inculcate new skills. Digital cultural meet, Khola Canvas, fortnightly parents meeting, weekly mentorship meet, enhancing their skill sets through critical thinking skill, problem solving, quiz, tech puzzles, writing skills, essay competition, listening skills like attending various webinars, speaking skill via technical seminar presentation, creativity skill like writing song, poem, articles, food making, art and craft and whatnot.
College of Engineering provides technical training, aptitude training, soft skill training to the final year and pre-final year students for enhancing their employability. During this lockdown, along with education, we are continuing our training programs. Our experts are providing technical training, aptitude training to the pre-final year students to make them industry ready. Using digital platform, continuously they are providing this sort of training. Along with this, our students are participating in TCS CodeVita, TCS Iron, as well as MyPerfect's baseline test.
Our college authority has taken the right step to continue our academic activities through the virtual platform. I am also happy to take online lab classes through the virtual platform where we are uploading the assignment for our students. Our students are solving the assignment and sending us back digitally for evaluation. Our departmental teachers are also extending their full support to us in this regard.
We are taking lab and classes regularly through digital platform and getting overwhelming response from our students community. The attendance in lab classes is close to 70 to 80%. I am happy such a high percentage of student attendance, which Uttam mentioned. In regular lab classes, students discuss among them and always come up with new ideas. Here also, they are discussing and solving the problems by their own.
The role of mentor has become very important when 2.6 billion people around the world are in some kind of lockdown. Probably we are going through the largest psychological experiment. So it is our responsibility as a mentor to regularly motivate our students during this lockdown. In this regard, we have taken a lots of initiative. We are regularly conducting mentor-mentee meet through different digital platforms. We have asked our students to keep away from different statistics that is coming through social media, and it is our responsibility to make them aware about the actual statistics. Not only this, we have conducted a lots of extracurricular activities for the students during this lockdown. We have asked our students to spend quality time with their family also. They are recording their songs, they are recording their instrumentals, recitation. Not only this, even they are cooking and they are recording that also, which we are uploading in different social medias where they are getting a lots of appreciation and which is making or increasing their interest in them also. So in that way, through these types of activities, we have kept our students away from stress, anxiety, irritation and different types of psychological disorder. In that way, we are always mentally connected with our students, and we have taken an oath that successfully and happily we will win the fight all together.
In this way, we have conducted our regular teaching learning through the several online platforms. Apart from the regular teaching learning, we have also conducted several webinars. We have provided online training for our students. Not only the regular teaching learning, we have also conducted several cultural events along with our students. Mentor-mentee meet also executed through the Canvas, Zoom, GoToMeeting platform. We always connected with our guardians through the online mode. We have received the positive feedback from the guardians. We are all fighting together against this COVID-19. Team IT, JIS College of Engineering is continuing their regular teaching learning, co-curricular, extracurricular for their students. We hope we are all fighting all together against this COVID-19. खट से पढ़ाई, कोरोना से लड़ाई. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.